Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, Water Sign. This reading is about your person's current feelings and their intentions towards you for the month of April. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Cancer, their current feelings. Wow, very beautiful. So let's see their current feelings, Cancer. Under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, wow, and Ace of Swords. There is communication and Knight of Pentacles. Your person is very serious about you. They want to take this relationship to next level, Cancer. Knight of Pentacles is, yes, maybe they're taking it very slow, but it is stable. And they are very serious about this time. They want to marry you if you are in relationship. If you are not in committed relationship, they want to commit to you. Yes. So let's see the reading. Ace of Pentacles, first card. So they really want to offer commitment to this connection. This could be a long-term relationship. Yes, they want long-term with you. They want to take this relationship to next level. If you are in a relationship, they want to marry you. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, new beginnings, new start. Maybe for some, very rare if you are in separation, definitely they want a new beginning with you and it could be a long-term relationship. And Queen of Cups, the second card. They have so much love for you and they really want to share their love with you. Queen of Cups. Yes, they have very strong emotions for you, Cancer. Then Six of Pentacles. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Maybe you are putting a lot of emotions, whatever effort in this connection, but now your person also want to offer equal give and take in this connection. They want to be with you forever and they really want to work on this relationship. And the next card, Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you and they are very passionate about you, Cancer. Yes, they are very attracted to you and they want a passionate new beginnings if you are in separation, and if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level for sure. Yes, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see their intentions. So Cancer, their intentions. Two cards, that's why I'm not taking. Okay, one card. Eight of Wands. Their intentions. Wow, again Knight of Pentacles. I don't read reverse cards, it came accidentally. Yes, maybe under the deck, the Moon with Six of Wands, they are manifesting success in this connection and I think your person manifesting some good stuff into their life and they want to manifest you back if you are in a separation with your person. Maybe in past, maybe there are some issues between you and your person because Ten of Cups came reverse, but actually I don't take it reverse card. But if in case if you have any issues in past, but now they want to resolve those things between both of you. They're manifesting something good stuff into their life. They're manifesting success. They're getting recognition for their hard work. and your person is very very successful person, very popular person also for some. So let's see their intentions. First card, 8 of Wands. So they want to communicate with you. They want to be communicate back and forth, and there is some progress in this connection. Yes, definitely there is some positive progress is coming in this connection in near future, Cancer. And Knight of Pentacles. Yes, they are taking it very slow for some, but it is clear that they want to take this relationship to next level, and they are very, very serious about you this time. Knight of Pentacles energy. They want to be with you forever. And 10 of Cups. Yes, they want this happiness with you, this happy family with you. They want this happy family with you. And 5 of Wands. Maybe for some there are some disturbances, some issues, some fighting between both of you, but they want to resolve these disturbances between both of you. So they want to be with you forever. They want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe they will fight for your attention. If you are holding back, then also your person will wait for you. They will fight for your attention. Maybe you have options also. Maybe 2 persons will fight for your attention. More than 1 person will fighting for your attention. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, lot of fire energy. And Pisces also, especially. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. But it is very, very positive reading. Six of Wands again. Yes, you both want success in this connection. I think Judgment. You both are going to be make some major decision regarding this connection, especially in the month of April. There is some decision making you both have to make. And Queen of Wands. You both may be very, very passionate about this connection. You both have so much passion towards each other. You both are on the same page. You both are equal on all things. And 7 of Swords. Maybe there are some issues in past. Maybe you both have some trust issues also towards each other. There are some trust issues. But 7 of Swords. Maybe one person in this connection lying, cheated in past. So maybe you both have some trust issues. That's why maybe there is the decision making. If you are holding back, again Cancer, they will fight for your attention and they want success. I think you both want success in this connection. Two cards, that's why. Yes, 3 of Pentacles. I think there is collaboration, partnership will come in near future, but it will take some time because the Strength card. You both have to work on this relationship. Then you both have to work on this relationship equally. Then it is going to be next level for sure. Because 3 of Pentacles is about partnership, reconciliation. When there is equal give and take, then there will be partnership. Then this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see some messages from your person end. Soulmates. For some you both could be soulmates. So I can't give you what you need. The messages are and decision time. A lot of abundance is coming. Communication is coming. Options. So one person in this connection maybe have options and they can't give you what you need. And decision time, definitely it is a decision time. I already told you, you both have to make some decision regarding this relationship. A lot of abundance is coming definitely. So there is a lot of abundance is coming. And communication is coming definitely because 8 of Wands is here. There is communication is coming and options for some and soulmates. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.